we're doing lava in the bottle.
What you need for making lava in the
In the
bottle?
bottle.
You already put the water in your bottle, right?
Yeah.
Now you want to put the oil.
Yeah. It's over. Cut. That's enough.
Yeah, it's going there. Excellent.
Those tablets are going. Right?
See. See the lava coming.
Yeah. Here are some tablets down. Right?
Yeah.
They keep some small tablets in. Right?
Yes.
In the powder tablet.
What's happening?
All the bubbles from the tablets going up.
It's come very fast.
Yeah, that bubbles. Let's shake it. I can see some white bubbles.
Okay.
So we can keep this somewhere in the dark.
Wow, Devansh, did you see?
Yeah.
You see in this bottle, the bubbles float to the top and they will pop there and the droplets will come down back to the water.
And there's white ones on top.
Come on here. You can see that here. See here.
Wow.
See.
Wow, it's nice, right, Devansh?
Right.
Do you like this experiment, buddy?
Thank you, Devansh.
Wow. Did you ever see a lava lamp, Devansh?
Yeah.
When it is dark, it looks so good, right, Devansh?
I'm going to take this off and I'm doing it in the top now. Do you like it?
Wow.
Yeah.
Good. I'm going to get in. Do you like it? Beautiful.
Yeah, it's like big wave.
That's why I keep like this. To see all the waves.
Mm-hmm.
How you keep?
Do you like this experiment? Bye guys. Good time. And I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel.